Hi decorators! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of modern dining room decoration. If you're looking to revamp your dining space and give it that sleek, contemporary vibe, you're in the right place. I've got loads of advice, ideas, and decorating tips coming your way, so grab a seat and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about color schemes. Modern dining rooms often embrace neutral tones with a pop of bold color. Think about incorporating shades like gray, white, or beige as your base, and then add a splash of vibrancy with accent pieces like chairs, artwork, or even a statement wall. Now onto furniture. When it comes to the dining table and chairs, sleek and simple is the name of the game. Opt for clean lines and minimalistic designs. A glass or marble tabletop can add a touch of sophistication, while chairs with interesting shapes or unique materials can make a bold statement. Mixing and matching different styles can create an eclectic and modern look, so don't be afraid to get creative. Let's talk lighting. A stylish pendant light or a chandelier can be a game changer in your dining room. Consider fixtures with geometric shapes or metallic finishes for that modern edge. And don't forget about the power of natural light. Sheer curtains or blinds can let the sunlight in while maintaining a clean, contemporary aesthetic. Now onto the walls. Artwork can truly elevate the vibe of your dining space. Choose pieces that resonate with your style. It could be abstract, minimalist, or even a gallery wall with a mix of different prints. Mirrors are another fantastic option to create the illusion of a larger space and add a touch of glamour. Storage is key in a modern dining room. Consider furniture with built-in storage solutions like buffets or credenzas. Not only do they keep your space organized, but they also serve as stylish focal points. Open shelving is also a trendy choice, allowing you to display your favorite dinnerware or decorative items. Let's talk about accessories. Less is more in a modern dining room, so choose your accessories wisely. A statement centerpiece, like a bowl of fresh fruit or a unique sculpture, can be the perfect finishing touch. Consider incorporating metallic accents, such as copper or gold, to add warmth and sophistication to the space. Now let's discuss the flooring. Hardwood floors are a classic choice, but if you're feeling bold, consider sleek tiles or even polished concrete for a modern, industrial feel. A stylish rug under the dining table can tie the room together and add a layer of comfort. Speaking of comfort, let's not forget about the seating. Cushioned chairs can add a touch of coziness without compromising on style. Upholstered chairs in neutral tones or with interesting textures can bring an extra layer of sophistication to your dining area. And of course, plants. Greenery can breathe life into any space. Consider adding a statement plant like a fiddle leaf fig or a snake plant to bring a touch of nature indoors. Planters with clean lines and modern designs can complement the overall aesthetic. Now for the finishing touch, personalization. Your dining room should reflect your personality and style. Don't be afraid to incorporate personal touches, whether it's family photos, a quirky wall clock, or even a DIY project. Make it uniquely yours. Let's talk about the concept of mixing materials. Modern design embraces the idea of blending different textures and materials to create a visually interesting space. Consider combining materials like wood, metal, and glass for a dynamic and sophisticated look. For instance, a wooden dining table paired with metal or acrylic chairs can create a stunning contrast. Now let's discuss the concept of minimalism. Less clutter, more impact. Keep the surfaces in your dining room clear of unnecessary items. This doesn't mean you have to sacrifice functionality. Just choose furniture and accessories that serve a purpose while maintaining a clean and streamlined appearance. Next up, consider adding an accent wall. While neutral colors are often favored in modern design, introducing a bold, accent wall can add a pop of personality to the room. Opt for a vibrant color, a geometric pattern, or even textured wallpaper to make a statement without overwhelming the space. The concept of open-concept living has become increasingly popular, and the dining room is no exception. If your space allows, consider removing walls to create an open and airy flow between the dining area and the adjacent rooms. This not only enhances the sense of space but also fosters a more social and inviting atmosphere. Now let's discuss the power of asymmetry. Modern design often veers away from the traditional symmetrical layouts. Experiment with asymmetrical furniture arrangements, off-center artwork, or even an odd number of dining chairs. This adds a touch of visual interest and breaks away from the expected. In terms of color, consider incorporating bold accent colors sparingly. A strategically placed vibrant hue, whether it's in the form of a chair, rug, or wall art, can inject energy into the space without overpowering the overall modern aesthetic. Think of it as a stylish punctuation mark in your design. Now, for the tech-savvy enthusiasts out there, consider integrating smart home technology into your dining room. From adjustable lighting to smart thermostats, incorporating these elements not only adds a futuristic touch but also enhances the functionality of your space. Let's not forget about the power of geometric patterns. Whether it's in the form of a rug, wall art, or even the dining table itself, geometric patterns can add a contemporary and visually stimulating element to your dining room. Just be mindful of balance. You don't want to go overboard with too many competing patterns. Now, a little pro tip: invest in timeless pieces. While it's tempting to follow the latest trends, investing in classic, high-quality furniture and accessories ensures that your dining room remains stylish and relevant for years to come. Consider it a long-term commitment to both style and sustainability. Lastly, let's touch on the concept of layering. Don't be afraid to layer different textures and materials to add depth and dimension to your dining room. Mix and match materials in your furniture. Layer rugs for added coziness, and experiment with different textiles in your curtains and upholstery. One element that often gets overlooked is the ceiling. Consider adding a stylish light fixture or even a ceiling medallion to draw the eyes upward. A well-designed ceiling can be the finishing touch that ties the entire room together, adding that extra layer of sophistication. Now, let's talk about multifunctional furniture. In modern design, functionality is key. Look for dining tables with built-in extensions or hidden storage compartments. This not only maximizes your space but also adds a practical element to your dining area, which is always a win-win. For those who love a touch of nature, consider incorporating sustainable and eco-friendly materials into your dining room design. Bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled metal are just a few examples of materials that not only look great but also contribute to a more environmentally conscious space. Experiment with bold shapes and unconventional furniture designs. Modern dining rooms often feature furniture with unique shapes and forms. Consider chairs with sculptural designs, tables with interesting bases, or even unconventional shelving units. These unexpected elements can become conversation starters and add a touch of artistic flair to your space. Now, let's talk about creating a cohesive design throughout your home. If your dining room is part of an open concept layout, ensure that the design elements flow seamlessly from one space to another. Consistency in color schemes, materials, and even decor accessories can create a harmonious and well-curated home. The concept of mixed materials extends beyond furniture. Consider incorporating different materials in your decor accessories, such as metallic vases, glass bowls, or ceramic sculptures. This layering of textures adds depth and visual interest to your dining room without overwhelming the space. For those who appreciate a touch of luxury, invest in high-quality materials. Whether it's a leather dining chair, a marble tabletop, or a plush rug, these premium materials not only elevate the look of your dining room but also stand the test of time. Now, let's address the concept of negative space. In modern design, less can truly be more. Allow some breathing room between furniture and decor items. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and let key pieces shine without overcrowding the space. So there you have it, decorators, a crash course in modern dining room decoration. Whether you're a minimalist at heart or someone who loves a bit of glam, these tips should help you create a dining space that's not only functional but also a feast for the eyes. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating!